Okay, somehow I'm going to be putting this external GPU in some kind of connection with this machine over here. eGPU cases seem to come with their own price tag these days, man. So I've got my custom solution. Okay, power disconnected. Here I go. Okay, I think that's plugged in. Keep in mind I turned it off before plugging things in. And there we have it. Test the fans a little bit. Lovely. On it goes. Alrighty then. It's spinning, so that's a good sign. This is also turning on, but I have no cover, which is a consideration right now. Alright, there we have it.